I'm Trixine Pert, and this summer I am the Youth Camp Ranger here at Volcano Adventure Camp.
I'm Johanna Wiltsey, and I'm a senior at Red Bluff High School.
My name is Mariana, and I am going into my sophomore year of college.
My name's Irie, and I'm going into 10th grade.
My name is Joseph. I'm in 11th grade.
I think our primary goal is to make sure that the kids make a connection, not only with Lassen Park, Lassen Volcanic National Park while they're here, but also just in general with nature. A lot of these kids are city kids and haven't had this sort of experience before.
I'm very excited because this is my first time camping, so this is going to be a really once-in-a-lifetime kind of experience for me.
I was at camp last year, and it was a lot of fun to work with the girls.
I came last year, and it was amazing. It was beautiful. Everyone that I met, everything that we did was just so much fun.
Very. I've never been to a national park camp, so.
The groups really vary. A lot of them are underserved youth from local communities, and then also we have groups coming from as far away as Los Angeles. We had a group earlier this summer from Florida. The Lassen Park Foundation serves as the funding source for this camp. They raise money every year, which provides grants to the groups, allows them to come into the park where they might not be able to otherwise. And they also fund the youth camp ranger position.
Hi there, my name is Scott Chandler. I'm on the board of directors of the Lassen Park Foundation. Over the past several years, hundreds of individuals and businesses have donated over $1 million to build the Volcano Adventure Camp. Last year, the Lassen Park Foundation gave out over 47 grants up to $1,000 each to youth groups so they can come up and enjoy the national park. It costs about $125 per student to bring them up to the park, so we encourage you to donate at lassenparkfoundation.org. Thank you.
I would like to say thank you so much because you've given me an opportunity that not only makes me feel happy, but also gets me out of my shell and gets me to learn more and gives me way more experience in the outdoor experiences.
Thank you for letting me go on this trip.
I just want to say thank you for letting me come here and have a lot of fun. And it's really appreciated, and what you do for kids is amazing, and thank you.
I would just like to thank the Lassen Park Foundation for letting us stay here and learn about the park the way it's meant to be experienced.